Yung tuk-tuk to na ilalim styro. Eh, syempre, pagkat ng cake, the husband and wife about to cut the cake, pagkat ng cake, 500 ng guest, kaya pangatawan natin to. Kung tayo natatawa sa Chinese wedding, mas nakakatawa Filipino wedding. Ang pang-guest list mo, 100. Lalapit na yung kamag-anak incorporated. Si ano, di mo bitan? Sino bitan? Si Mayor dapat pumunta dyan. Para matuloy lang yung kasal, anong gagawin? Kahit walang budget, anong gagawin? Mangungutang para para matuloy. Special kung kinasal ka sa probinsya. Truck, jeep, bus, barangay. Di ba? Habang nag-celebrate lahat, hindi mo kakilala. Di ba? Bukas may udang na tayo. It's so crazy. So I always tell people, na if you cannot afford it, di ba? Yung simple lang ba? That's the reason why it's very important for you to be wise when it comes to And then single people in this house, request lang to, again, it's your life. Never ever get married for the wrong reasons. Number 1, because of age. Ayan, may reunion na naman this Christmas. Revolta ka na ba?
Pressure?
Revolta ka na ba? Alam mo bang wala ka na sa kalendaryo? Ano pag sinabihan ka gano'n, sumagot ka na buong tapang. Bakit? May bingo card pa.
Okay.
Letter B, 75. No, seriously, if you get pressure to get married or yung unang tao na pumasok na nakapula, siya yan! Buti na lang, di pula pumasok at nakablue. Diba? Ay, nako, if you chose the wrong person, you'll experience 3 types of rings. Number 1, he will give you an engagement ring. 2nd, wedding ring. 3rd, suffering. And you will experience 5 stages of marriage. Una tawag sa asawa. 2nd stage, sawa na. 3rd stage, awa na. 4th stage, wa na. 5th stage, na. So, depende anong stage mo na. So, don't get married for the wrong reasons. Enough of the people who are married, enough of the people who are single. Let's talk to the people who are about to retire. Sino sa'yo malapit na mag-retire? Okay lang kahit na yung umaming halata naman sa mukha. You know what? At the age, a financial fact, at the age of 65, according to SWS survey, 45